A Wi-Fi password is like a key to your internet connection. It's a secret code that lets you unlock access to the wireless network in your home, office, or even your favorite coffee shop. Just like you wouldn't want anyone to walk into your house uninvited, you don't want strangers using your internet without permission. When you connect your device to Wi-Fi, you need this password to prove you're allowed to use the network. It's a way for the router to check that you belong there, and it helps keep your connection private and secure. The password acts as a digital lock, keeping strangers out and protecting your information from prying eyes. Without it, anyone nearby could hop onto your network, use your bandwidth, or even try to access your personal files. Imagine leaving your front door wide open. Anyone could walk in. That's what it's like to have an unprotected Wi-Fi network. Your internet could slow down, and your data could be at risk. But what if you forget your own Wi-Fi password? It happens to everyone. Maybe you scribbled it on a sticky note that's now lost, or you set up your network ages ago and can't remember what you chose. Or perhaps you just bought a new phone or laptop and need to connect it to your Wi-Fi, but the password is nowhere to be found. It can be frustrating, especially when you need to get online quickly. Luckily, your computer is smarter than you might think. It saves passwords for networks you've connected to in the past, so you don't have to remember them every time. These passwords are hidden for security, but they're still stored safely on your device, waiting to be revealed if you know where to look. Our goal is to write a simple Python program that can help you uncover these saved passwords. This way, you can recover your own information without having to reset your router or call your internet provider. It's important to remember, this isn't about hacking into networks you don't own. That's illegal and unethical. We're focusing only on networks you have permission to access. We're only recovering passwords for networks you've connected to with permission, like your home or work Wi-Fi. Think of it as finding the spare key to your own house, not your neighbor's. You're simply regaining access to something that already belongs to you. By doing this, you're making sure you can always get back online, even if you've forgotten your password. In this guide, we'll use Python to build a tool that finds your saved Wi-Fi passwords quickly and easily, right from your own computer. It's a practical, safe, and efficient way to recover your own information and avoid unnecessary hassle. So, let's get started and see how you can take control of your Wi-Fi passwords with just a few lines of code. Before we dive in, let's talk about an important topic that often gets overlooked. When is it actually okay to use a tool to find a Wi-Fi password? This is a question that comes up a lot, especially as more people become aware of the tools and tricks available online. It's crucial to understand the boundaries and ethics before you even think about using any software or script for this purpose. The rule is simple: only use it on your own computer, or if you have clear, direct permission from the device's owner. Consent is everything here. If you own the device, the saved Wi-Fi passwords are part of your personal data, just like your photos or documents. Think of it like reading your own notes or reminders. You have every right to access information that belongs to you. It's also perfectly fine to recover the password for your own home network, especially if you've forgotten it or need to share it with a trusted guest. If you pay for the internet and own the router, the password is yours to manage, reset, or share as you see fit. You're in full control of your own network. Maybe you're helping a family member or a friend who's forgotten their password. If they specifically ask you and give you permission, that's absolutely okay too. Helping others with their consent is both ethical and appreciated. The key is always permission. Without it, you're crossing a line, no matter how harmless your intentions might seem. Never use this tool on someone else's computer or device without their explicit consent. It's not just about being polite, it's about respecting privacy and trust. Don't even think about trying it on public computers, shared devices, or networks you don't own. These are off limits, no exceptions. That's a violation of privacy, similar to reading someone else's mail or snooping through their personal belongings. It's simply not acceptable. The same goes for networks you don't have permission to use, like a neighbor's Wi-Fi. Just because you can see it, doesn't mean you're allowed to access it. Always respect privacy and ownership, both online and offline. These principles keep our digital world safe and trustworthy. Use this tool responsibly, only for your own networks or with explicit approval from the rightful owner. That's how you avoid trouble and maintain good relationships. Following these guidelines is how you stay both ethical and legal. It's not just about what you can do, but what you should do. Now, let's see how Python can help you recover your own Wi-Fi passwords safely and responsibly. We'll use Python to build our password finding tool, and you'll see just how approachable and fun coding can be. Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world, and it's trusted by beginners and professionals alike. Python is beginner-friendly and reads almost like plain English. Its simple, readable style means you don't have to worry about confusing symbols or complicated rules. You don't need to be a computer expert to follow along. Whether you're just starting out or have some experience, Python makes it easy to jump right in and start building useful tools. Python's commands are simple and clear, making it perfect for tasks like this. You'll find that even complex actions can be written in just a few lines, and the code is easy to understand at a glance. It's also powerful, used for everything from websites to data analysis, automation, artificial intelligence, and even controlling robots. Python's flexibility means you can use it for almost any project you imagine. For our project, we'll use Python's subprocess module. This handy tool lets us interact with the computer's operating system directly from our script. This lets our script run system commands, just like typing them in the command line. It's a bridge between our code and the powerful tools built into your computer. We'll tell Python to ask the operating system for saved Wi-Fi passwords, then display them neatly. This way, you don't have to dig through menus or remember complicated steps. Python acts as our assistant, automating the boring parts and handling repetitive tasks for us. It's like having a helpful robot by your side. We don't need to know where the system stores passwords, just the right command to ask for them. Python takes care of the details behind the scenes. This is a great example of automation, letting a program do repetitive work for us so we can focus on more interesting things or simply save time. With just a few lines of code, we'll save time and effort. You'll see how much easier life can be when you let Python handle the heavy lifting. Let's see how to set up Python so we can get started. Ready? Let's go. Your journey into practical programming begins now. First, make sure Python is installed on your computer. Most Macs and Linux systems have it by default. Windows users may need to install it from python.org. When installing on Windows, check the box that says Add Python to Path. This step makes running Python scripts much easier. Once installed, you'll need a code editor. Try Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, or Atom. These editors highlight your code and help you spot mistakes. Next, open your command line, Command Prompt or PowerShell on Windows, Terminal on Mac. To check your Python installation, type Python, version and press Enter. If you see a version number, you're ready to code. Now open your code editor and get ready to write your script. With Python set up, you're just a few steps away from finding your saved Wi-Fi passwords. Let's move on to the plan. Here's the plan. We'll use built-in system commands to list all saved Wi-Fi networks and their passwords. Normally, you'd type these commands manually for each network. Our Python script will automate the process, finding all saved networks and retrieving their passwords. First, the script gets a list of all saved Wi-Fi network names, SSIDs. Then, it loops through each name, running a command to reveal the password. The script captures the output, finds the password, and prints it alongside the network name. When finished, you'll have a neat list of all your saved Wi-Fi networks and their passwords. No guessing, no hacking, just automation. Let's see how this works on Windows. On Windows, we use the netsh command line tool. Our script first runs netsh wlan show profiles to list all saved Wi-Fi profiles. It extracts the network names from the output. For each network, it runs netVLAN show profile, name true network, name key clear. The key clear part reveals the password in plain text. The script searches for the key content line to find the password. It prints each network name with its password. When the loop finishes, you'll see a complete list of your saved Wi-Fi passwords, simple, fast, and effective. On Mac, Wi-Fi passwords are stored in keychain access. We use the security command line tool to access them. The script lists all airport-related passwords in the login keychain. It extracts the network names, SSIDs, from the output. For each SSID, it runs security find generic password, UA network name to get the password. You may be prompted for your Mac login password for each network. The script prints each network name and its password, just like on Windows. Now you have a clean list of your saved Wi-Fi passwords. Now that you know how to find saved Wi-Fi passwords, let's talk security. Use a strong password, long, with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid simple words or easy patterns. Choose the best encryption, WPA3 if possible, or at least WPA2. Never use outdated options like WEP. Be careful who you share your password with. Set up a guest network for visitors to keep your main network private. Change your guest password regularly. Keep your router's firmware up to date to patch security holes. Check for updates every few months. Combining strong passwords, modern encryption, and regular updates keeps your Wi-Fi safe. Protect your digital life. We've learned how to recover forgotten Wi-Fi passwords using Python. Remember, only use this tool on your own devices or with clear permission. Respect privacy and never use it to access networks you don't own. Python makes automation easy, turning complex tasks into simple scripts. You now have a practical skill to solve real problems. Use your knowledge responsibly and ethically. Help yourself, your family, and keep learning. Programming is powerful. Use it to build and help, not to harm. Stay curious and keep exploring. Happy automating.